Let's learn about circles. I'll start out by showing you how to draw a circle. First, start at the top and draw a curve to the right and down. Keep curving around until you are right below where you started. Then, start curving up and keep curving around until you reach back to where you started. A good circle is as round as possible. A circle has no corners or angles. It's just a nice smooth curve all the way around. Circle shapes are all around us. Can you think of anything that has a circle shape? Maybe a wheel. Or this ball. How about this button? This clock? Or a coin? Look around you and see if you can find anything else with a circle shape. Have fun and see you next time!
Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from Totally Tots.